The Korean phrase you'll learn today is from the Disney Plus K-drama, Love Your Enemy. The Korean word nuna is used by a man to address his older sibling. If the genders are reversed, it's oppa, you know.
Call me Nuna from now on.
앞으로 누나라고 불러.
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 Nuna, go out with me.
누나, 나랑 사겨.
누나, 나랑 사겨.
누나 나랑 사겨.
누나 나랑 사겨.
누나, 나랑 사겨.
Look, you don't like it either.
봐, 너도 싫지?
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 Enough, I won't let you go.
됐어. 안 빠져.
됐어. 안 빠져.
됐어, 안 봐줘.
됐어, 안 봐줘.
Oh, I thought about it.
아, 내가 생각해봤어.
아, 내가 생각해봤어.
아, 내가 생각해봤어.
아, 내가 생각해봤어.
At that time, why did I ask you to go out with me if I won?
그때 내가 왜 너한테 이기면 사귀자고 했을까?
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 I missed you if I didn't see you.
안 보면 보고 싶었어.
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 It's such an old feeling that I'm confused if this is love.
이게 사랑이 맞는지 나도 헷갈릴 만큼 오래된 감정이야.
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 I knew for sure it when I made a bet.
내기 걸면서 확실히 알았어.
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 Remember what you learned today about how to call Nuna and Oppa, and I'll see you next time with another fun video. Your subscriptions and likes help me create good content. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.